At Trinity Products, we have manufactured large diameter spiral weld steel pipe and structural grade casing for our auger bore customers since our mill began production in 2007. During the development of our new Tri-Loc weldless interlock system, we knew we had an advantage over our competition. When you compare the manufacturing cost of spiral weld pipe versus rolled and welded, the savings are obvious. First is the raw materials. The hot rolled coil that is used for spiral weld is on average $300 a ton cheaper than the steel plate used for rolled and welded. Then, our spiral weld mill is very versatile. We can run any length of pipe instead of being limited to the length of the plate. This reduces our waste and gives us the ability to roll a 20-foot or 40-foot pipe with zero midwelds. Lastly, because of our reduced labor and continuous coil throughput, we can manufacture roughly 4,000 to 5,000 tons per month as compared to the 500 tons per month at a rolled and welded shop. Our spiral weld process makes for shorter lead times and more projects per year for our customers, and is just one of the many advantages that Trinity Products has with our Tri-Loc weldless interlock system. Please contact your Trinity rep to review a cost savings calculator and see your savings today.